A unitary B1 robot dog is spraying insecticides. An agriculture pruning machine used for hazing citrus fruit trees. A sugarcane peeling machine can peel off canes with an outer diameter of 25 to 50 millimeters. An irritating fastener catches metal and wraps it into a coil spring. A hedge trimmer is the ideal choice for cutting hedges, shrubs, and bushes quickly. Circular saws are easy to operate and cut wood logs into lumber. Old engines are shredded with a shredder machine to make recycling easier. A roller shaft can grind tilly hygienically without losing taste. A sliding miter saw with a TCT blade cuts wood at any angle. Hydraulic pressure can cut shrubs and plants quickly. A self-driving sprayer helps fertilize and spray pesticides on plants. A magical tool removes copper from electric motors efficiently. A retrograded ditching and drilling machine operates with convenient size and function. A bunch of wires are cubed with a hydraulic press for storage. A hydraulic power arm with a sharp cutter cuts wood into small pieces. Inside an under-construction tunnel, multiple water spray guns move continuously. giant steel beam is being carried on a truck. A drill bit machine makes ice fishing easier. A stamping machine punches large holes in seconds. This machine covers the edges of caterpillar tunnels. A concrete pump transfers concrete with the help of a pipeline. Scrap metal is recycled because recycling is more cost-effective than mining. A unique recipe is being made on a rotating griddle. The slow motion of stitching clothes looks mesmerizing. Chicken bowls filled with flour are being made with an innovative idea. From snowplows to robot dogs, these machines prove that technology is making life faster, easier, and smarter. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments.